Hi, I'm John.
Hi, I'm Maria.
Welcome to Disney News Jam. Hi everyone and welcome back to your weekly happy place. If you're new here, please subscribe, ring the bell to be notified each week when the show drops, and hit the like button if you love Disney. A special shout out to all of our group members on Disney Cruising Australia and Australians travelling to Disney on Facebook. You can also catch us on Instagram at Jam Life Adventures and D News Jam. On this week's show, Christmas has arrived on the Disney Wonder. The Epcot International Flower and Garden Festival 2024 opening date. We'll tell you what flights to Disneyland and Disney World cost this week. Maria is here for your weekly Disney Cruise Line tips and tricks, and this week she's aboard the Wonder for Palo Restaurant. This week's Disneyland ride focus is Finding Nemo Submarine Voyage, and the Disney treasure has reached yet another milestone. It's another jam-packed show, so let's get into it. Well, we're simply having a wonderful Christmas time. We are so excited to let you know that Christmas has arrived on the Wonder. With thanks to Olivia Bothwell, Angela Presler, Kelly Dixon, Melissa DeThracci, Erin Stewart, and Tammy Moore, we now know that Disney Wonder has a glorious Christmas tree along with garland adorning the whole atrium. Group members even caught it being loaded onto the ship in Brisbane. From what we gather was a super fast 2-hour or so turnaround. We're so excited for everyone boarding over the next few sailings, including New Year's. To top it off, wouldn't it be nice to see Mickey and Minnie and the gang in their holiday outfits? I'm sure our wonderful group members from Disney Cruising Australia will let us know if they see it happen. Of course, we'll be vlogging our adventures on the Wonder on our YouTube channel Jam Life Adventures and reporting with special edition newscasts right here on Disney News Jam. But make sure you all subscribe to Jam Life Adventures, link below, as we'll have a special exclusive Disney Wonder giveaway which will be announced on board our New Year's Eve cruise. Mark your calendars, the Epcot International Flower and Garden Festival, where all blooms are fantastical and magical, is returning to Walt Disney World Resort on February 28th, 2024. Here are some details we have so far. Attend a springtime event abloom with brilliant gardens, fresh flowers, lively entertainment, and more. Topiary display, exhibits and gardens. Behold dazzling displays, delight in gorgeous gardens, unique exhibits, and living sculptures of Disney characters. Sip, savor, and stroll. Garden graze. Take a walk on the delicious side and enjoy a surprise at the end of your journey. Outdoor kitchens. Eat, drink, and be delighted by creative cuisine and garden fresh fare. Shop, play, and explore. Merchandise. Commemorate your visit with fresh festival merchandise from apparel and accessories to garden gear. Festive markets. Visit pop-up markets across the park to find festival merchandise as well as goods from visiting merchants. Fun for kids of all ages. Explore whimsical gardens and exhibits and set out on a lively scavenger hunt. This coming Wednesday, flights to LAX and Disneyland come in at $2,087 and flights to Orlando International Airport and Disney World come in at $2,377. These flights are one way and better deals can be had if you book further out. So make sure you book early, and that's flights and accommodation. It does wonders for the anxiety. Let's go over to Maria now for Disney Cruise Line tips and tricks. And this week she's aboard the Wonder for Palo Restaurant.
Hello everyone and welcome back to this week's Disney Cruise tip, dining at Palo on the Disney Wonder. Palo is an upscale adult-only restaurant located on Deck 10 aboard the Disney Wonder cruise ship that offers guests a unique and delightful culinary experience. With its elegant ambience, impeccable service, and delectable menu, Palo stands out as a dining destination that caters to the finer tastes of its patrons. Reservations are required and can be made once your booking window opens or on board the ship. There are 2 meal periods to choose from: brunch and dinner. Guests are requested to dress in a manner consistent with the restaurant's sophistication. Upon entering Paolo, guests are immediately greeted by a warm and inviting atmosphere that is both upscale and romantic. The restaurant features tasteful Italian-inspired decor with a blend of modern sophistication and nautical elements that pay homage to the cruise ship's theme. Bedecked in royal tones of wine and gold, elegant furnishings include Venetian glass and decorative masks complemented by the inviting sounds of live piano and spectacular sea views will make dining at Paolo a meal to remember. The staff at Paolo go above and beyond to ensure a memorable dining experience tailored to each guest. From the moment you step foot into the restaurant, the attentive and friendly servers make you feel welcome and attended to. They are knowledgeable about the menu offerings and are happy to provide recommendations and accommodate dietary restrictions. The seamless service adds to the overall charm and quality of the dining experience at Paolo. Paolo's menu is inspired by the flavors of northern Italy and showcases a wide array of delectable dishes. Whether you're a fan of seafood, pasta, pizza, or decadent desserts, Paolo has something to satisfy every palate. Some menu highlights include a basket selection of freshly baked assorted flavorful breads. The antipasti platter is beautifully presented and offers a variety of textures and flavors, with a selection of artisanal cheeses, cured meats, and flavorful olives. A lovely way to start your meal journey. The signature dishes: grilled cut sirloin steak with thyme herb butter, green beans, Barolo wine potatoes, and Barolo wine reduction. The meat is tender and juicy, leaving a lasting impression on your taste buds. Parmesan crusted chicken breast topped with San Marzano tomato basil sauce and mozzarella cheese, served on a creamy arborio rice risotto. This dish is a crowd favorite with a flavor combination that will satisfy your taste buds. And decadent desserts. Paolo is renowned for its delectable desserts, from the classic tiramisu to the rich chocolate and amaretto souffle or slightly lighter vanilla berry panna cotta. Each sweet treat is expertly crafted to provide the perfect ending to your meal. The brunch dining experience offers a wide range of choices, from eggs, waffles and pancakes, Paolo's signature pizzas, as well as some popular mouth-watering mains, and always save room for the unmissable dessert choices. Dining at Paolo on the Disney Wonder is a remarkable experience that combines exceptional cuisine, elegant ambience, and attentive service. Whether you are celebrating a special occasion, looking to indulge your taste buds, or simply want that adult-only romantic getaway with your significant other, Paolo offers a culinary journey that will leave a lasting impression. Be sure to make a reservation before or during your cruise to fully savor the flavors of northern Italy at this extraordinary restaurant. If you don't see any availability pre-cruise, definitely check on board for reservations on embarkation day. And that's our Disney Cruise Line tip for this week. Now it's over to you, John.
Thank you for that, Maria. It's been so exciting to see you all cruise on the Wonder over the past few weeks. And once again, we'll be live streaming her entrance into Sydney Harbour tomorrow on Disney Cruising Australia. So check it out. And we'll also be boarding the Wonder on the 28th of December. So like I said earlier, you won't want to miss our vlogs over on Jam Life Adventures and newscasts right here on Disney News Jam. We're so excited for it. And now it's time for this week's Disneyland ride focus, which is Finding Nemo Submarine Voyage. The Finding Nemo Submarine Voyage at Disneyland is a popular attraction that takes you on an underwater adventure inspired by the beloved Pixar film. The first thing that strikes you about the Finding Nemo Submarine Voyage is the immersive theming. As you step into the queue area, you'll be transported to a vibrant marine world complete with coral reefs, colourful fish, and even a giant sea turtle. The attention to detail is truly immersive and sets the stage for the adventure to come. Once on board the submarine, you descend into the depths of the ocean, guided by the cheerful voice of Nemo's dad, Marlin, and his forgetful friend Dory. Through the portholes, you can glimpse a variety of aquatic creatures, from sharks and jellyfish to seahorses and angelfish. The use of audio animatronics brings these characters to life, making it feel like you're truly exploring their underwater habitat. The ride also features a captive storyline as you join Marlin and Dory in their quest to find Nemo. The dialogue between the characters is humorous and entertaining, keeping both kids and adults engaged throughout the journey. You'll encounter various scenes from the movie, including the Eastern Western Australian current, and the dentist's office fish tank, all recreated with impressive animatronics and special effects. One of the highlights of Finding Nemo Submarine Voyage is the technology used to create the illusion of being underwater. The combination of audio, visual effects, and clever lighting tricks make you feel like you're truly submerged in the ocean. The attention to detail, from the gently swaying seaweed to the shimmering sunlight flittering through the water, adds to the overall immersion. Overall, the Finding Nemo Submarine Voyage is a delightful and enchanting experience for fans of the movie and theme park enthusiasts alike. It combines stunning visuals, engaging storytelling, and innovative technology to create a memorable underwater adventure. Whether you're a child or just a child at heart, this ride is a must-see when visiting Disneyland. The Disney Treasure has reached yet another milestone in construction, the completion of its last block. In case you're not familiar with the maritime milestones, it's important to know that the cruise ships are built in block sections. With the last block in place, this means that the ship is now structurally complete and outfitting work can begin. The last block on the Disney Treasure will eventually house areas such as adults-only Quiet Cove area, including Cove Cafe, and Hero Zone, a futuristic sports arena where physical activity blends with imagination, offering highly produced show experiences in addition to free play sports. With this latest milestone reached, the Disney Treasure can now move towards completion of its interior. Stay tuned to Disney News Jam for more progress on the Disney Treasure, which is set to sail its maiden voyage in just over a year. And that's it for today's show. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and hit the like button. Marie will be back on Wednesday with Merchandise and Fashion Top 10. And until then, it's not goodbye, but we'll see you real soon.